Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Smackshaft from Lemon Squad Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started with the head. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle right in the center. Directly on the top now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the top of the hat. Now on both sides, let's draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top of our page. We're going to end that at the same height on both sides. Now from here, let's draw in a curved line from left to right, bringing that down. Let's move over. For the left eye, stepping over from the center, let's draw in an oval. We're going to leave a gap moving over on the right and replicating that again. Now from here, let's color in the eyes black. Let's drop under. For the mouth, nice curved line, stretching that past our eyes on both sides. And then we're going to replicate that, creating a nice big arch line, closing that off from corner to corner. Let's move in towards the center. We're going to draw in another curved line from left to right, bringing that through. Let's draw in his hair. So coming in from the top, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. We're just going to mirror that on the opposite side. Let's drop down, making this slightly bigger. Again, bringing this line out and back in. Let's move underneath again. We're going to make this even bigger. So we're going to curve this line out, back through towards the head, just making sure we leave a little bit of a gap. And then we're going to move down. We're going to make this small this time. So we're going to curve this out, back in. And then we're just going to do this one more time. Again, following that out, making that even smaller, back in towards the head now. We're going to connect it together like so. Now let's come down for the shoulders on both sides. Let's arch this line through on the left and right hand side. We're going to end that at the same height. We're going to close off the neckline, so we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Right below this line here, we're going to draw in a circle for where that connects our arm together. We're going to do the same on the right. Let's finish closing off the torso. So on both sides, we're going to arch this line in towards the center, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, from that point, we're going to bring this line out. And again, we're just going to end this at the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. We're going to draw in 3 buttons as we come down. So we're going to draw in our first circle right on the top. We're going to leave a small gap, drawing that at the same size in the center. And again, let's leave another gap, drawing in our third and final button right on the bottom there. Let's draw in the arms now. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same on the right. We're going to end that at the same height. Now on the bottom here from that corner again, we're going to curve this over and through towards the side. And then starting again back on the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then bringing that back through towards our circle on the top. Let's draw on the legs. So starting from the inside here, we're going to curve this line down and out on the left. We're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to draw that at the same size. Let's start back on the bottom. We're going to curve this out, rounding that through, bringing that back in towards the torso. Now let's draw in the hand. So we're going to start with the wrist, curving this around and through towards the top. Let's come down for the hand. We're going to draw in a corner bracket where we're going to attach the thumb and the fingers to. Now let's come down for the thumb from the center, arching this around and up towards that wrist. Again, moving down for the first finger, curving this around and through towards the arm. Let's move over, curving this around and back through towards the top. And then again, one more time, curving this around and in to close off our hand. Now let's close off the feet. So coming over on the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. We're going to arch this line across past the side of our leg. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this around and in towards the pant leg there. Let's come up behind, drawing in the vacuum now. So we're going to, from behind the shoulders here, bring this line across on the left and right hand side. We're going to curve this line down and in towards our arm on both sides. Let's step back in again. We're going to curve this down towards the circle. Now let's draw on the hose coming down. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the arm. We're going to move up, replicating that, arching that over and through on the side. Let's continue to snake it down now. So we're going to come underneath, following that line, curving that in. And then we're going to, on the top here, curve this up, through, and then back down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same underneath, curving this around, up, and back down. And then from here, we're just going to close that off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now we're going to draw on the curved lines as we come down. So we're just going to follow the shape and we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we curve these lines down, first towards our arm. Now we're going to move underneath, curving these through as we come down. Again, just leaving an even amount of space as we move all the way through towards the bottom. Now from here, underneath, on the back part, we're going to curve this line back down. On the top, we're going to arch this line down and through, ending that at the same height. And then from here in the corner, we're just going to curve this line across. Now let's move up around the hose pipe there. We're just going to curve this line in. We're going to move down from the bottom, curving this line back up. And then we're just going to draw in 2 more curved lines as we stretch these through towards the top. And then lastly, just moving in behind, drawing in a straight line that comes in underneath both of our arms.
And that is it. That's how you draw Smackshaft from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.